Hey guys, so I got a question about what should be number 7. It does say at the top of that box that the previous answer was a 25. And so it looks like there were a couple of you that had asked me about it, so I thought I would help you out, get you started, and potentially give you a freebie problem. Okay? So there's actually 2 different ways that you can do this problem. You can think of it in terms of being a line. Okay, so this bottom line right here, right, that whole line is 180 degrees. And so what you can do is add each one of these angles up and set it equal to 180. So that's one option. Okay, so 4x plus 8x minus 30 plus this little box, remember, is the perpendicular box. So that means that it's 90 degrees. Okay, and we can set that equal to 180. The other option that you can do, and I know some people might do this, okay, but if this is 90 degrees, then you know that these 2 together are going to equal 90 degrees. And so that's your other option, is to just add these 2 together, 4x plus 8x minus 30, and set it equal to 90. You're going to get the same answer either way, but if you take a look up at the first one, if you subtracted 90 from both sides, 180 minus 90 is 90, right? And then your 90 is gone and you're just left with this. And so it is the same thing. That's why it works out, okay? All right, so you're going to combine like terms, right? 4x and 8x is 12x. You're going to add 30 to both sides. So you get 12x equals 120. And when you divide by 12, you get a 10. There you go. X equals 10.